Oil has breached the 78 levels. We had expected it to trade bullish and only below 74, 74.5 that we had expected it to trade bearish. It is trading with a rise now. In fact, has breached 78 and likewise NG has also taken a support at 5.2 and trying to trade with a rise. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into the US crude WTI followed with natural gas. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. If it's a buy entry, just go with a buy and just trade with the target. Keep closing at every milestone and or else keep shifting your stop losses to the milestones. Remember, a milestone or a resistance level is a resistance level. You have to either close or book profit. And yes, remember, if it's a buy entry, if it goes to a buying level, you should buy. If it goes to a sell level, you should sell. Also observe for 5-10 minutes how it behaves at a particular level, then only you should take an entry. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's start. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, strong rally, higher lows, trying to trade in this bullish channel. On the upside, the high, see, now it is looking forward to first target at 79.2, 79.5 and then $80 levels. $80 levels are going to be the next stronger resistance levels for WTI today. So once it trades beyond 79.2, you can expect 79.5, 79.8, 80 levels, and then beyond that we have a target for 81.8, 82 levels. Now this is one part to it. On the hourly chart it appears to be bullish, but at the same time it must be overbought also. So let's have a further detailed look. Directional movement is bullish here too. It is extremely bullish rather. Now look where you should sell. See these three candles taking the support here at 78.4 levels and then 78 levels. And if you see this 77.5, so from here maximum candles getting the support here. Yes, you can take a sell entry here, expect this and only if it trades below 77.5 we can expect further bearishness. Then you can expect 76.8 and below levels. Now look at the directional movement, extremely bullish here, stochastic extremely overbought. MACD is in green and this is at a high, probably it may cross over for a sell. RSI is overbought too on the hourly charts and hence probably couple of red candles later can be seen. But these are markets, do not think that it can drop extremely. Now when it has taken a bullish turn, now see this on the 2-hour charts, it consolidated here for a while and then this breakout has happened. Now if you look at this breakout, it is trying to show you the cusp here. At the same time, look at these two candles. After a bit of consolidation, first breakout candle, second green candle, and hence if it breaks below 78.4 levels you can sell for 78, 77.5 and then rather I'll say 77.6 and then below that 77 is going to be major support. Below 77 only bearishness to be seen. On the upside beyond 79.2 you can expect 79.5, 79.8, 80.02 and then beyond that we can see 81.2 and 81.8 levels. This is extremely bullish on the 2-hour charts too. This is overbought here on the stochastic. The MACD is also bullish. The RSI is also overbought here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour. Similar observation is on the 3-hour charts as well. But at the same time, one bullish candle, multiple green candles, and then this one single candle again can be expected, and then we may see it hitting 80 levels. But at the same time, remember this must be overbought and hence little bit of drop cannot be denied. If it trades below 78.4 you can sell, but then till 77 you have to be very cautious. And on the downside 76 is the next major support here, 76, 75.8. only below this bearishness will be confirmed. Now see this is extremely divergent and bullish, probably it must converge. The stochastic is also overbought which must try to cool it down a bit. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent, this is bullish, probably it may start converging. RSI is overbought too. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, similar observation on the charts, similar overbought levels, stochastic extremely overbought, MACD extremely bullish, RSI is also overbought. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, yesterday I told you at least we will be looking forward for oil to hit 78. it has achieved 78 and now it is trying to trade further bullish. Now next candle I will wait for. This is yesterday's carryover candle. Today it is continuing. In next 2 hours we may see the next candle in my chart, but then you can see $80 levels, which was the previous resistance. Now it support. Now it is going to be the resistance there. Yes, you can buy at 79.2 and then you can expect 79.5, 79.8, 80 levels, and beyond 80 the target is directly to tilt towards 82 levels. It is crossing over for a buy on the daily charts after long time. The stochastic is also looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and the RSI is also looking upwards. Considering this, only sell entry today is below 78.4 levels. Below that also 78 first target, 77.6 next, 77 the next targets, and below that 76. If and only if you see it trading below 76 and 75 zone, you can consider it to be bearish, else there could be strong longer strides which oil can make and trade bullish. But now look at the daily charts here a little more. You will find that it has come out of this channel. It is trying to break past this channel. It is trying to trade bullish. Probably once it trades below 80, certainly more bullishness might take it for 82, 84 levels, which is definitely the next stronger resistance zone. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural. Now see NG on the hourly charts, double bottom is done. 5.2 again provided it a support, and with the support at 5.2 it is trying to reverse. You can see strong bullish rally here. The next pit stop for NG is 5.6 levels, 5.62, very strong resistance, and then it is going to be 5.8. Yes, if it breaks past 5.2, you recall the week started with a gap down here, and it can probably try to fill this gap, that is 6.2, 6.4. Anything is possible. These are markets. Let's have a detailed look here. Directional movement crossing over for a bullish move here on the early charts. Stochastic is extremely overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and the RSI is looking upward, showing little strength. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, if you look at on the 2 hour charts, similar is the observation. So beyond 5.6, 5.62, because see this are multiple green candles, there is a probability that it can retrace. But yes, sustaining above 5.6, one can expect 5.75, 5.8, which is a very strong resistance, then 6, 6.2, 6.4. The directional movement trying to cross over for a bullish move. Right now it is in red. Stochastic overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish and looking upwards. The RSI looking upwards, showing little strength. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts too, similar is the formation. Second green candle, we can expect few more green candles, taking it for 5.75, 5.8 possible. But yes, only by entry today is above 5.6. Beyond 5.6, you can expect a little rise. Directional movement is bearish and trying to convert. The stochastic overbought, the MACD bullish, the RSI is also come out of the oversold zone. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, similar is the observation, nothing different here. Directional movement bearish trying to converge, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD has crossed over. This is a buy move here. This is happening at a bottom. From here, the rise can be expected to sustain. RSI looking upwards, showing little strength there. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, first thing is look at these two candles with the tails out there. Look at these two candles. Yes, smaller bodies out there. I will be definitely waiting for the next candle. The next candle might take it for 5.8 levels, and in fact it can give you further rise till towards 6 levels. This is also possible. See, when two candles same tails, almost the flat opening there, so probably this indicates that there could be a next greener candle also, and hence beyond 5.6 one can stay long. At the same time, if you see it trading below 5.4 levels, you can sell, and in between 5.4 and 5.6 do not trade natural gas. It is bearish here. It is oversold on the daily charts. It is divergent and bearish. It is trading at the bottom. Considering this, there is a possibility for a rise, and yes, only buy position is above 5.6. Only sell entry I will recommend is below the zone. See, if it breaks past 5.45, you can sell, but then expect the support here at 5.4, 5.38, very strong. So yes, you can take a sell entry at 5.45, buy at 5.6. In between this $1.5, do not. not $1.5, just 5.45 to 5.6. For this 15 cents, do not trade, and you have to remain cautious and alert for this 15 cents, that is for 5.45 to 5.6. On the downside, 5.4 very strong support, 5.38, 5.35, 5.3, and 5.2. Only below 5.2 you can expect that it is going to crash further, else there is a possibility of a bounce back from here. There is a possibility that it can try to bridge the gap. There is a possibility that it can close the gap at 6.2, 6.4, if not today, if not tomorrow, maybe next week. But yes, it may try to reverse from here. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.